What's going on, y'all? Today is Christmas, and man, we're about to go deliver the Husqvarna remote control off to this kid. And at the moment, we're making a special T-shirt to go along with this gift that Husqvarna blessed us with. Man, so once we get finished making the shirt, we're gonna jump in the truck, roll out over there, and this kid is expecting us to arrive shortly. So man, wait till you see the smile on his face, y'all. And shout out again to Miss Ariel over at Husqvarna. Cause y'all know, TNL, baby, we passion my what's outside. Y'all have a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Peace.